Hi, I'm Jenny with CocoaDaisy, and in this video, we're unboxing the Deluxe Journaling Kit, and Stationery Kit from the August 2026 Along the Path collection. How about we check out the Along the Path Journaling Kit? This kit is designed to be a little bit lower profile. So what I mean by that is that the items are all a little bit thinner than your typical items. I'll explain what I mean. So first up, we have a couple of sheets of rub-on transfers. We love rub-on transfers, and the CocoaDaisy rub-on transfers are really high quality. They're super easy to use, and they come with popsicle sticks that you can use to transfer the images onto your project. The popsicle sticks work wonderfully. You don't have to use them. You can use another tool if you prefer, but thanks to the rounded edge, the popsicle sticks work wonderfully. So there's 2 sheets of these. Then we also have a sticker kit. The stickers are all printed on our vellum sticker paper, which is a little bit thinner than traditional sticker paper. So again, that makes it a little bit lower profile than regular sticker paper, and it doesn't create as much bulk in your projects if that's something you're concerned with. We also have a full sheet of stickers here. You can see right here, it's this whole design, and if you peel this off, you will see that it's just one big sticker. Lots of people like to use it as it is, like covering a whole page. Some people like to cut it up and add it in different ways, and some people use like a metal die to cut out different shapes and things like that. We also have a sheet of days of the week as well, so you can see there's a variety of different styles. Then we also have the dates and then some labels as well. There is also a full sheet of these really cute sort of torn edge stickers. You can see they look basically, most of them, like corners, and you just peel them up and they are so cute. So for example, I'll peel this one up so you can hopefully see it. It just looks like a torn edge of paper. Okay, then there is also a full sheet of alphabet stickers. And then the last sticker sheet is another decorative sheet. It has the washi type strips, and then it also has the decorative elements as well. So that is the vellum sticker kit. And then there is a beautiful 4x6 card. And then on the back side, it features some journaling prompts that you can use throughout the month. And obviously you can use them anytime. We also have a standard width roll of washi tape. It has a nice neutral colored map, and that is the Along the Path Journaling Kit. You can see photos, digital renderings, and project examples of the journaling kit on our website. Okay, let's unbox the Along the Path Deluxe Journaling Kit. This kit comes in our heavy plastic folder. All right, so this kit contains 3 sheets of patterned paper, and these 3 sheets of paper are also in our planner kit. These papers are 13 inches by 8.5 inches, and they are scored and folded in half, and they are double-sided. So you can see this is the first one, super cute. Next, we have this plaid. And the inside has this beautiful watercolor and then topographic map. And then last we have this denim pattern with this ledger pattern on the inside. So those are those pattern papers. We also have 2 pattern papers that are exclusive to this kit. They are a little bit more neutral, so they're designed for like layering and things, creating collages, things like that. This one has this beautiful grid and floral design, and this one has a beautiful rich wood grain pattern. Next up are 2 more sheets of paper that are exclusive to this kit. first we have this green specialty paper. You can see that it's got some texture to it. It's really so pretty. And then we have a sheet of vellum with a foiling on it. It's so pretty. And both of those, as well as these two patterns, are exclusive to this Deluxe Journaling Kit. We also have a sheet of PET stickers. They're Kiss Cut. You can see them right there. Look at all those beautiful designs. This sheet of stickers is also included in our planner kit. Then we have 2 sheets of rub-on transfers. Both of these are included in our journaling kit, and they feature some different phrases, days of the week, and then a bunch of beautiful decorative elements. All right, next up is the sticker kit. So these are printed on our vellum sticker paper, which is a little bit thinner than traditional stickers. And these sheets are also included in our journaling kit. So you can see right here, there is a sheet of decorative stickers, and then at the bottom, we have some washi type strips. Then we have a sheet that is days of the week in a variety of designs, and then dates and labels. We also have a decorative sheet that features washi type strips at the bottom, a sheet of alphabet stickers, a sheet of torn edges, like different little pieces, mostly corners, but there's a couple that are not corners, and they just look like they were torn from a piece of paper. And then we have a full sheet sticker. This is, if you peel it off, it is just one large sheet. You can cut it, you can use it as it is, you can use metal dies to cut them. There's lots of different ways to use these stickers. So as I said, these are printed on our vellum sticker paper, and they are also included in our Along the Path journaling kit. Next up is the journaling prompts from this kit. So you can see the front of the card is beautiful, and then the back features 10 different prompts that you can use in your journaling. We also have a package of die cut stickers. These are also included in our planner kit, and the prompts and that card are also in our journaling kit. Now, the die cut stickers come with a variety of designs, both functional and decorative. Now, next up, we also have our sticky note pad. You can see how pretty that is with the florals at the bottom. And this is also included in our planner kit as well. And then we have our stamp set. I love this stamp set. It says note on it. Let me think about how I can show this to you. I'm going to pull this pattern paper out. You can see it looks sort of like a ticket. It's so cute, and it is called Ticket to Explore. Isn't that fun? And this is exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. You won't find it in another kit. And then last but not least, we have the roll of washi tape. And this washi tape is also exclusive to the Deluxe Journaling Kit. So this is the Along the Path Deluxe Journaling Kit, and you can find photos, digital renderings, and project examples on our website. I am excited to share with you the Along the Path Stationery Kit. There are so many fun items included. This kit is not specific to any type of hobby. It's just a bunch of really fun supplies that you can use in any project. Collaging, journaling, scrapbooking, planning, anything that you can dream up. Letter writing, I mean, just so many different ways that you can use these items, and they're beautiful and the super high quality that you know and love from CocoaDaisy. All right, so first we have a couple of sheets. The first one is our acetate overlay. It is, as the name would suggest, acetate. It is clear, and it has this beautiful design printed on it. And then the second one is our printed vellum. You can see how beautiful this scene is. It's so lovely, and then it has the texture of our gorgeous vellum. All right, next up, we have a sheet of PET stickers. And our PET stickers are kiss cut. And we love that because you can just peel them right off the page and then use them right away. We also love that they come on sheets and not rolls, so you don't have to store those. Although sometimes we can't help it, we do love a good roll of really usable designs. But these sheets are wonderful and so easy to store. All right, now we also have some stickers because who doesn't love stickers? So we have a sheet of decorative stickers that features some fun tickets and tags and things like that. We have a sheet that has all of the different days of the weeks in some different styles. And then we also have another decorative sheet that features just some lovely images. This month we also have a really wonderful sticky notepad, and as you can see, it's a full pad, and all you have to do is peel it off and stick it right to your project. Or, if you're using it as a reminder, stick it to the mirror, stick it to the fridge, whatever you prefer. We also have an adhesive pen loop. With this, all you have to do is peel off this back and it will stick right to your surface. And then as you can see right here, just slide your pen, marker, whatever right in there, and then you can be on your way. All right, now we have our package of vellum die cut stickers. I must say, I love these stickers. If you haven't used them, they're really very unique and amazing. And I love the way that they look on a project. They're just really beautiful and have a awesome texture that is definitely a little bit thinner than our cardstock die cut stickers. So there's a variety of different images included, and they're great because no matter what background you're putting them on, they're basically clear other than the design. So, if you're using off-white paper or whatever, there's no little white edges or anything like that. So we've got beautiful florals and outdoor images, but then we also have maps and tickets and little, Polaroids. It's just a beautiful mix of die cut stickers. Okay, we also have our pin, and this month the pin says, "Take the long way home." Now, this does come with a traditional pin backer. However, you can remove the pin back, and in our store we sell the giant paper clip. Once you've removed the pin back, you can just stick it to the magnet and you have this giant paper clip. Isn't that fun? You can find this in the CocoaDaisy stationery store, and it does not come with the kit. All right, and then we have a package of adhesive patches, and they are so cute. I think you're gonna love these. They're just really a lot of fun. And one of the things we love about these is that they are embroidered. So you see all of that fun texture and detail thanks to the embroidery on these patches. So as you can see, there are 4 different patches included, and all you have to do is peel off the back. They have a sticky back, and they are ready to go. Last but not least, we have a roll of washi tape, and this washi tape is a beautiful light green background and then a floral design. And you've seen the florals like in a bunch of the different images and stickers and things like that. It's such a pretty, pretty scene. So this is our Along the Path stationery kit, and you can find images, digital renderings, and project ideas on our website.